Hi, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to unbox the Triton Key Machine. This is a code machine. It does high security keys. I'm going to actually test the heck out of this over the next little while. We're going to cut a couple hundred keys on it, and I'm going to let you see how we're doing and how it holds up. I would like to thank Mike and Chris, American Key Supply, Kenessey, for sending this machine for me to test. First of all, these guys are really brave to send me this. They know I've had problems with other key machines, and I'm not afraid to say what's the good, the bad, and the ugly. However, I really trust these guys. I have a good rapport with the company. They've supported anything I've ever bought off them. They've made good recommendations to my locksmith company and my locksmith students for us to give them good equipment and recommend good equipment. Plus, we use it every day ourselves in my own company. So let's unbox it. Let's see what we got. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh. So it is the Triton Quick Start Guide. It's from Lock Labs. And we got a little brush, power supply, ooh, little bits and pieces. It's pretty cool. Cord. Ooh, the important part, the vise. Wow. Okay, it's extremely well packed. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to chop it down the sides. Okay, says right on it, Triton. Well protected for shipping. Wow, good job. Okay, let's. These are a lot more compact than I thought. It's really. It's not heavy either. Well, it's heavy, but it's not that heavy. It's probably for the upgrading the software. So we got a USB. It got another. It looks like another power supply there, and we put the power here. So that's pretty easy. This is good right off the bat. We have the probe and the cutter already installed. That's going to save me some time. So this is right as it comes from the factory. Now, normally on some other machines, I break these probes like crazy. I don't want to do this today. So read the instructions. What else we got in here? Nice little tool. More little bits and pieces. Oh, look at that. That's the important part. We have a spare cutter, a spare probe. I've broken so many probes on other key machines. Let's hopefully I don't break any of these as I'm learning how to use this. Again, looks good. Looks like this. We got A, B, C. There's a D. Oh, looks like it's... this may be an all-in-one. I don't know. Let's see. This could be an all-in-one vise. Look at that. We got A, B, C, and a D. So this would be pretty cool. One thing I wonder if they have, I'm just thinking out loud, a tubular key cutter, because I tell you, we do a lot of Harley-Davidsons with the tubular keys. It'd be nice if this did this too. Got power. Let's turn it on. Ooh, cool. Nicely lit up. Now, this looks like this only goes up. Let's see what happens. It's not, doesn't appear to be removable. Again, I haven't read the instructions. I just want to take a quick peek. Oh, it says don't tilt it up more than 25 degrees. Yeah, that's interesting. So caution right off the bat. Good thing I didn't yank at this. Okay, so don't pull it up all the way. Oh, we got tubular. Look at that. Got standard automobile motorcycle. Interface is nice right off the bat. So it does tubular. So, hey, I'm happy with the Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Standard keys, dimple keys. Let's go automotive. I'm going to go to Ford because that's what I test everything on is Fords. Look at that. Nice interface. Ford. Go down. Now, the most popular car in the world is the F-Series pickup trucks, but I'm going to cheat. I'm going to go to Mustang. Look at that. I have a 2014. Cool. Okay. Got to take this. Oh, it's got the series. This is very intuitive, and I haven't even looked at the instructions yet. I'm going to have to read the instructions. This is pretty cool. Let's see what it's like turning it off. Let's go back. I don't know if I got to go back. Let's just do proper. Go back to the beginning. Nice. Let's just turn it off. Ooh. Okay. All good. That's the unboxing. I'm going to put it on my workbench, hook it all up, get everything ready to go, and I'm going to start cutting keys. So it looks like a nice, real nice interface. So far, looks good. Let's see how it does. I'm going to cut and it does. Look, you saw the interface. I can do standard keys. I can do my tubular. And we'll see how it does all the other high security automotive keys and motorcycles. So stand by for more videos. It's going to be interesting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.